Every second that passes is a heartbeat closer to the end, but how many seconds do we really get in a lifetime? Tick, tock, time is the quiet drum that scores every moment of your life, from the first breath to the last sunset. Average lifespan, 79 years. That's about 2.5 billion seconds. Picture the math unfolding on screen. 60 seconds, 60 minutes, 24 hours, 365 days, 79 years. A cascade of numbers pouring into a single truth. Billions of chances to feel, learn, love. But how do those seconds slip away? Let's trace them. Sleep first. About a third of life. That's roughly 26 years of sleep. Over 800 million seconds. It sounds like loss, but it's not. Sleep is the nightly repair shop where memory is filed and the body is rebuilt. Work, next. Say 40 hours a week for decades. Add commutes, emails, late-night fixes. It adds up to millions of minutes. Work is where seconds transform into skill-craft impact. What about the minutes that feel like lightning? The time you spend dreaming. You'll dream for around 6 years total. Tens of millions of seconds where your brain tells itself stories in the dark. Dreams are time's private cinema. Now zoom out. Clocks in a quiet room. A child growing tall. Stars pinwheeling in a spiral arm. Galaxies colliding in slow motion. A second on your wrist keeps marching on. Ask yourself, what if you could see every second you'll ever live as grains of sand? How fast would they slip away? Would you clutch at the stream? Or would you learn to place each grain with care, building something only you can build? Here's a thought experiment. Imagine you start today with 2.5 billion bright beads in a glass jar. Each morning, a handful disappears. You can't stop it, but you can choose which beads you spend on calling your mother, learning a chord progression, taking a quiet walk at dawn, forgiving yourself. Meaning isn't found in the size of the pile, it's made in the shape you give it. Time is elastic in feeling. Boredom stretches a minute into a mile. Awe compresses an hour into a heartbeat. So chase the moments that dilate your attention. Sit with the people who make minutes feel like gifts. In the end, your life is not counted. It is composed of seconds you notice, seconds you share, seconds you dare. You have 2.5 billion chances to make meaning. Every second counts. Make yours matter.